First and foremost, I would like to thank my parents, mama at papa ko, at ang aking apat kong kapatid, kuya lalo ko na saan nawawala. Apat ko na kapatid ko lalaki, sister-in-law, and my two nieces. Ako po ang kita ng mga pinsan ko po dito at kita na nagkaya ako galing sa iyo at and also, I am very grateful for the presence of His Cardinal, His Excellency, His Eminence po, sorry, His na po, His Eminence ng lolo ko sa Cardinal. Siya po yung very instrumental in how I came to know the parish visitors of Mary Magdalene. At siya po ang nagpadala sa akin doon sa Manila. Salamat po. At syempre po sa aking pupuna si Father Jimmy, who has been my unofficial as spiritual director and mentor. Sa aking po mga kaibigan pare, ang Father Eric po, Father Rapara, Father Seth, hindi ko alam po yun. Father Seth, nagaling po kong kabalutan, Father Peter, and Father Eric po, si Reverend Moises. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. You are all a wonderful inspiration of and a witness of love for your own vocation. Made me think of my own place in God's vineyard. Salamat din po sa mga pinito ko na narito sa merkado ko siguro. Simula ako sa mga classmates ko ng high school, elementary, college, and law school po, at saka kasama ko sa youth ministry, sa World Youth Day. At sa inyo pong lahat, kasama ko sa choir, at lahat ng ministries na na-involve po ako bago ko pumasok. Kayo po ang bahagi po, katulad po ng sinabi ko ng kardinal na mga kaibigan po ang nagpapabala din po sa akin. Kasama din po kayo ay God's plan. Nilagay po kayo ng Panginoon sa buhay ko. It was not an accident. It was all part of God's perfect plan. So salamat po sa inyo lahat. At salamat din po especially sa aking mga sisters na narito. Sister Maria Arlene, Sister Maria Arlene, and Sister Maria Christine. I thank all of you. And ito po, the most difficult part of what my beloved spouse asked me when I entered religious life is detachment. Detachment from everything and everybody, even the ones that I love. In a way, it was easier for me to let go because God promised that He will take care of all of you more than I can ever do. So it was, even though it was hard, I had to let go and let God. I love you all, but now it's even more meaningful because I love you not for my own sake, but for Jesus' sake. Part of the spiritual life of the parish visitors is union with our beloved spouse, Jesus, through daily mass and adoration for the Blessed Sacrament. And there I preach Jesus, I offer all your intentions. I pray to all, for all of you I mean. Lahat po ng mga bigla sa buhay ko, mga kaibigan, I pray to all, for all of you I mean. I ask that He will give you all your needs. God knows all your needs and He will provide for you abundantly. I hope we continue to pray, and let us continue to pray for one another. Your word is important or get in touch through our website or approach your parish priest or your priest friend and confide to them. They will be very helpful. And hopefully, through me, you will understand religious life, how happy and peaceful it is when we do God's will. Pray for more workers in God's vineyard, for our young people to say yes to the will of God, to priesthood or religious life, and also for the parents to raise their children aware of the life of priests and sisters. Salamat po and God bless you all.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa Diyos sa ating mga bakasyon. Ibuha. Hindi ko alam kung paano magsisimula magpasalamat dahil na po sa kanyang kabulian, His Eminence Cardinal Gaudencio Rosales. Alam niyo po, hindi siya mahirap imbitasyon. Binigay namin ng sulat ng imbitasyon noong araw din ngayon. Sinabi niya, dadalo. Your Eminence, your presence here, your giving us the sacrament of the Eucharist really is grace beyond grace. We pray for our Mother Congress, Mother Mary Teresa Talo, to intercede for the desires and longings of your heart. From his retirement home from Lipa, he traveled to be with us, and we pray for his safety home tonight. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga pari na dumalo ngayong gabi ito, kahit linggo na may mga misa sila sa parokya nila. Salamat kay Reverend Moises. At panghuli, misipred po ako sa inyo. Sa aming pong kongregasyon na Parish Visitors of Mary Immaculate, sa vocabulary po namin, simple lang po kami pumapdiwang. At yun po ang pinagod namin kay Tita Cora at kay Tito Nard at kay Father Jimmy. Pero unti-unti ko natutunan at I'm beginning to discover na kay Father Jimmy at sa mga taga St. John Meridiano, walang